Heart Gray won the coin toss. Raphael, it's on you. You got 90 seconds. I'm gonna keep this going. Last battle of the night. Yo, Taiwan, you ready? Yeah! I said you ready? Yeah! I say the 3, y'all say the 2 and the 1. Crowd in 3, 2, 1, battle!
I hope you enjoy with my hardcore style. Get.
Do you think I like you? Do you think I want you? I never need you now. I never need you now. I never need you now. Need you. I never need in your face. Okay, relax. Do you wanna kill the best? Kill the best? Kill the. Do you wanna kill the best? This the best. Kill the. Do you wanna kill the best? Give the best. Kill the best. Do you wanna kill the best? Look at motherfucker. Kill the best.
10 seconds.
And kill the best.
Time!
Okay, let me educate you something. You need to practice the high pitch.
seconds. Time. One more time, give it up for both these guys. Last battle of the night. Come on, come on, come on. Stand on this side of me, my friend. Back to the judges, moving on to the next round. This side for Rafly, this side for Heartgray. You already know what to do. I say the 3, y'all say the 2 and the 1. Crowd, 3. 2, 1. Hold on, let me do some math. Okay, make some noise for Rafly, everybody. And keep it going. Make some noise for Heartgray, everybody. Give it up for Heartgray.